Hello friends. Now in this video, I'm just going to share with you the proof of evidence pictures together during your first meeting for your initial filing form I-129F. How did I do it? What pictures did I put in there? And is there a format that you have to use, and what application did I use it to? So don't skip this video. Subscribe now if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell button to get notified on my uploads and updates about K1 Fiancé Visa, the green card. So hello friends. Now welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jade. I am originally from the Philippines, but I live now in Florida. And just like you, I am a K1 Fiancé Visa filer myself, DIY. All of it DIY. I am now a green card holder and processing my 10 years green card, and I'm still doing it DIY. So I know exactly what you feel right now. I know what you're going through, the stress, all the paperwork. I know what you feel. I've been there, done that. That's why I share my personal experience through my videos. If you go to my channel and click playlist, you'll see an album title there, K1 Fiancé Visa, especially if you're watching this video because you're about to file for your initial filing, the K1 visa process form I-129F. I have videos there of the visa processes, what are the next steps, my personal experience during my interview, medical. You may check my videos. It might be relevant with your visa process now. And for those, and someday maybe when you apply for your, when you apply for your adjustment of status, you can check album title, adjustment of status when you arrive here in the US, and someday you will apply for your AOS or your green card. So yeah, just check my playlist, my albums there. It might be helpful, especially if you're doing it DIY just like me. Now, just a disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any government agency, nor working with or as an immigration attorney. I am not a professional or a legal expert. I'm only sharing this based on my personal experience, my research, and my knowledge, especially as a DIY filer of K1 Fiancé Visa myself. So these are all based on my personal experience, my knowledge, and my research. I highly encourage you guys to always visit the official website of the US Visa. That's uscis.gov, and the other one is travel.state.gov. So those are the official website of the US Visa. So yes, I have here the sample of the proof of pictures or proof of relationship pictures together during the first meeting, and this is very important. Sa first meeting pa lang po, or sa initial filing, you need to submit all the evidence that you can to get approved on your I-129F. So I did not follow any format, and the application that I use is I only use Microsoft Word, and that's it. I only put the pictures, inserted the pictures in every pages, and I actually made I did a collage. I did not put one picture in every page. So I put 5 or 6 or 7 pictures in every pages. And yes, I did put a description of what was it, what happened to this picture, where were we when in this picture. So you can just put a little bit of description, so at least when they check it, they know, oh, this is the first meeting, they went to this, they met the family, they had a party at home, or they went out with friends, so at least they will see what you did on the first meeting, and this is very important. Some people you can include. I did not include our conversations. I just did, or I think I did a little bit, but most of it are pictures together of our first meeting, and I made sure that I submitted as many proof as I can. So again, you can use any other apps aside from Word if you're comfortable, as long as you have enough evidence to submit to them and get your petition approved. So these are our first meeting because we only met one time when we filed for our K1 visa process, or the initial filing form I-129F. And again, I use Word for this one. I did not beautify it. I did not put anything, flowers and drawings or whatsoever, because I just want it to be simple and clear. So I just put a description right here, and then I put description on some of the pictures. This is the family, so this one I will show it to you right here in the video so you can see it properly. So yeah, this is just how simple I made our proof of relationship for our initial filing. And yes, you can use paper clip for all the forms if you need to. Paper clip or the binder clips, you can use that one, that's allowed. So this is our proof of relationship pictures during our first meeting for our initial filing. So I just put here are the photos of his first visit and our first time meeting in person in February of 2020. So I put here our first meeting when I fetched him at the airport, when he got to the hotel, when we went to the house. I just put welcome him with the tarpaulin in our humble home for the first time. And then meeting with the family, I just put 8 pictures together here during our bonding at home, meeting and bonding with the whole family at home. And then aside from that, here more bonding with the family at the beach, and I put a date there. When did we do it? So that's February 3. So this is it. We were at the beach, the whole family. And then meeting with friends and eating out with the family. So this is pictures of when he met my friends. And then this is when he treated the whole family at the restaurant. Yeah, and then, so I put about 9 photos together here. So you can just make this one, you can collage it, or if you want lesser pictures, like just 6 pictures or 5 pictures, that's totally fine. It's really up to you. Here, more bonding time with the family before going back to America. So that's it. And then here's the last day before he leaves for an early flight to the US. We had a date night. So yeah, so I just put here about 9 photos as well. 11 rather. 11. So here, date night, our solo night together, just the 2 of us before he left. And then he made a stop over to the house, saying goodbye to the family, though we actually drove him to the airport the next morning. So yeah, that's it. That's how you should put your what do you call this, your evidence for your relationship. It's really up to you. This is very important, the pictures. They want to see your pictures together during your meeting. Now, if you want to include some screenshots of your video calls or chats, you can include as well. That's no problem at all. This one, I made this is for my interview, but they never looked at it. So if you want to include something like this, that is totally fine as well. I have a separate video of this one, how I made my proof of relationship pictures together for the interview. If you want to check it, I will put the link. It's on the K1 Visa album playlist. This is our chat. Yeah, so that's it. That's the sample right there. So yeah, that's it. That's my sample for proof of pictures or proof of evidence on the first meeting for your initial filing. You can submit as many as you can. The more, the merrier. And then, yeah, it's very important that they see that you met you have spent time together. So yeah, if you want to include like your conversations, screenshot of your video calls, whatnots, that's okay. But the most important thing that you need to include is the pictures of your meeting. And of course, you need to include, if you can find the booking of the reservation for the hotels of your fiance when he visited or when she or he visited you in the Philippines. That's a must. And then also the flight itinerary, the stamp on his passport, if you can include that, that's very important as well. So yes, I hope this video helps you. I hope this video gives you an idea on what to do, how to arrange your packet as well. I have a video right here which you can find in this album, K1 Visa. Check that one because USCIS has a highly recommended on how to arrange your packet for your I-129F to avoid rejection. So good luck everybody, and please don't forget to like this video, to share this video to anyone you know that is about to file for the K1 fiance visa, the initial filing form I-129F. Thank you. You may leave a comment on any of my videos if you have confusions or if you have questions. I'm very responsive naman po. So please visit my channel for more videos about K1 visa, and again, the official website uscis.gov and travel.state.gov. So good luck everybody. See you again in my next video. Bye for now.